Hi, let's make some oatmeal cream bars. I'm going to start with 1 1/4 cups of melted butter and 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar. Mix that with an electric mixer. Then I'm going to add 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix that again with my hand mixer. In a separate bowl, I have combined 3 cups of crumbled old-fashioned oats, 1 1/2 cups of flour, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk that together to get it nice and combined. I'm going to take my wet ingredients and I'm going to slowly add that in with my electric mixer, just a little bit at a time until it's completely incorporated. Notice the consistency of the oats. I did put those in a blender before I used them. And also notice that I'm going to take a spatula and scrape down those sides to get everything incorporated. Now I've put parchment paper on a cookie sheet, and I'm going to use a separate piece of parchment paper to really work the dough all the way to the edges of the cookie sheet. Put that in a 350 oven for 10 to 15 minutes. While that's baking, I'm going to combine 1 1/2 sticks of butter at room temperature and 2 1/2 cups of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to mix that together with my electric mixer. After that is incorporated, I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of that, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Continue to whip that until I get that to the consistency that I want it. Once this is out of the oven, I let it cool completely. I cut it in half, put my parchment paper on my surface, ice half of my cookie, and then I'm going to use the parchment paper to pick up the half and flip it on top. Then I'm going to take a sharp knife and cut that into the size that I want. Refrigerate, serve, and enjoy.